Sa ating channel! Welcome back sa ating vlog, guys. For today's video is Alexandra's rehearsal day. So, ito yung araw na magme-makeup na si Alex at saka ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kanyang costume. So, ayun na siya. Excited na siya. Nagsumasayaw-sayaw na siya. Kaka-pick up ko lang kay Alex and tayo ay magsisimula na sa kanyang makeup and hairdo. And of course, the finished product is ipapakita ko sa inyo. Tsaka product, yung finishing na pag-makeup niya, tsaka yung mga outfits niya, ipapakita ko syempre sa inyo. So tara, samahan niyo ako for today's vlog! So, nandito na yung costume ni Alex, guys. Dito na siya. Ayan. Backstreet Alex. Siya. Ito yung armband ni Alex na pag pumunta na kami sa kanyang dance. And nandito yung pa-instruction niya. Dito yung band. Yan. May band siya. May necktie. Yung dress. Medyo malaki to ni Alex eh. Yan siya, diba? Napaka-sassy. And yung shorts. Alex. Yan yung outfit niya. Yan, black.
See? Tell them about my outfit. So it's in school, right? And all the kids go together and this is what happens. They all get sass attitude on and then they just do this dance. So I'll show you my dance.
Pipicturean lang natin si Alex. Show them your makeup. So that's Alex's makeup. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa dance performing arts ni Alex. Diyan na si Alex. Diyan na si Alex! Look at the Alex! Doon pala yung mga car park. Doon kami nag-park sa may labasan. Kasi wala nang masyadong park, guys. Nandito na tayo. Say hi. See ya! Hello!
One eternity later.
Alright guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Actually, kanina pa, nakapagligo na si Alex. Ayan. Ako, ngarag na ngarag kasi kakatapos lang din niyang kumain. So, nandito na yung certificate na Alex. Medyo nabusot ng konti. Yan siya. And how did it go when you're performing on the stage?
It was scary but fun.
Yeah.
And my hair, every time mommy fixed it, it like hurted sometimes when you twisted it. Like,
That's how it's supposed to be. So, nang-whinging na siya sa kanyang pa-hairstylist.
kept
Masakit
saying,
daw.
ow!
But yeah, anyway, nagtagumpay si Alex. Very good si Alex. And I'm so proud of her. Practice sila kung saan sila, kung ano yung nasa stage, kung okay ba. Then kami din as a parents kung saan yung area namin na komportable kami na makita namin yung anak namin. So, kung saang area, left ba or right. So, I think yung side ni Alex is nasa left side. So, sa left side kami. This coming Saturday is the final day na mag-perform sila si Alex. Today is just dance rehearsal. But they need to do the makeup and stuff like that na yun yung ano nila, yung makeup nila. So, approved naman. And, so yeah, and meron din akong tinulungan na bata. Kapatid ng best friend ni Alex, tinulungan ko siya na mag-makeup. And so yeah, naging makeup assistant tayo doon. So meron akong mga picture dyan na i-flex natin bago ma-end itong video. So meron akong mga pics dyan na share ko sa inyo kasi as I promise, isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga ganap natin today. So yeah. So, dito na lang namin i-end yung vlog namin ni Alex, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please,
Like and subscribe.
if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys soon sa ating susunod na vlog. Don't forget,
Be a dreamer.
and be good. Bye!